For every piece of technology that gets implemented within any organization, someone somewhere needs to build the right plan for it. Here at Poly, we have one of the largest groups of voice, video, cloud, and UC&C experts. From planning to design, deploying and optimizing, support, and managed services, we provide it all. Today I'm here to talk to you about two of our most popular consultant services, Poly Envisioning Services and Poly Solution Design Services. In isolation, both services provide great value, but together they provide so much more. The methodology is the same, whether it's for a platform, endpoints, devices, or an ecosystem solution. The focus of these services is to help our customers select, design, and transition to the right collaboration solution that fits their business, big or small. With our Poly Envisioning services, we focus on the why, who, and the what. The first stage is the why. This is where we focus and capture their true intentions for collaboration. They might need to be able to connect and collaborate in order to increase employee productivity or to reduce travel expenses. Our goal is to identify their key business needs and tie it back to how UC&C technologies can help them. Then the who. This represents the intended user types that will use the solution. Understanding the needs of the users is vital to developing a successful solution that fits. You've got executives, sales and client-facing employees, or even third parties that will need to get connected to the customer solution. So understanding the who is key. And lastly, the what. This is where we take what we've learned during the why and who and factor it all into what we propose within the Envisioning Summary Report. Whether it is a vision that enables capabilities for voice, video, cloud, or immersive telepresence, we will make the right recommendations. With Poly Envisioning Services, we provide the strategy, vision scope, and roadmap, capturing your customers' collaboration needs and bringing them to life. From there, you can transition into our Solution Design Services where we develop the blueprint. At this point, we're focused on the how. During this stage, we document the deployment plan and lower-level details of the finished solution. So we perform discovery, analysis, and the development of the solution architecture with the right solution components, use cases, capabilities, and implementation recommendations. The result is a blueprint where all the solution details are documented into a final solution design report and something that can be used for the physical deployment of the solution.